Yeah, I had one follow that was really small, and then I saw one jet that was pretty small. Oh, there it is. Gone. Oh! Boys! There we go. Fish on. He's upset. He took that whole soft bait in, man. He wasn't letting that go. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. What are you doing? I can't get my forceps out. This bait is in my way. There we go. Whew. Proper hook set. Shit. I got fucking line off. There we go. There we go. Okay, back in action. You want to believe it. There we go. Fuck! Oh, he's right here at the boat. He's right here, man. He followed that right to the boat. All right, baby girl. Come on. Do your work. There it is, buddy. Yeah. I don't know if he's still there. He made a big strike and then took off. There we go. Ah, shit. That was a good sized fish. Come on back again, buddy. Come on back. You're not hurt. Nope, he's all done. There we go. Oh, yeah. I am getting some crazy fish, man. Just nuts. They're loving this bait. I haven't had these in my tackle man in a very long time. They were on a shelf in the basement. I had 2 left. They're a soft plastic fluke, but it has fins, and it's all poured to look like a pike. There it is. There's one. Got him.